Why are polar coastal economies threatened by sea level rise? Imagine living in a place where the land is slowly slipping away beneath your feet. That's what many communities in polar regions face as sea levels begin to climb. The melting of polar ice sheets and glaciers is the main cause of rising ocean levels. When ice from Greenland and Arctic glaciers melts, it adds more water to the oceans. This extra water causes sea levels to go up both globally and locally. The Greenland ice sheet alone has enough ice to raise sea levels by over 6 meters if it melts completely. That's enough to flood many coastal areas around the world. In the polar regions, rising sea levels mean more flooding along coastlines. Ports, roads, and energy facilities are often built close to the water for easy access. When the sea rises, these structures are at risk of being submerged or damaged. Coastal erosion speeds up as waves wash away land that used to be solid ground. This can wipe out habitats for animals and plants, and even threaten traditional hunting and fishing spots that local communities depend on. Sea level rise also causes saltwater to seep into freshwater sources like underground aquifers and wetlands. This makes it harder for people and animals to find clean drinking water. For indigenous communities who rely on coastal resources for food and cultural practices, these changes hit hard. They may lose access to familiar hunting grounds or fishing areas as the coast shifts and floods. The faster warming in polar regions makes these problems worse. Less sea ice means the Earth's surface becomes less reflective and absorbs more heat. This accelerates ice melt and speeds up sea level rise even more. Remote locations and limited infrastructure make it tough for these communities to prepare or respond. Building defenses or relocating can be costly and take many years. Protecting these areas involves planning ahead, investing in stronger infrastructure, and conserving natural ecosystems that act as buffers. But with the ongoing pace of ice melt, the threat to polar coastal economies remains serious. Rising seas threaten not just land and property, but the very way of life for many who call these icy regions home.